Hello, my dear friends. A very warm welcome back to our home. Today we are going to do something very different. We're not just going to study. We are going to live in English. My name is Jane, and my wonderful friend Jessica is here with me. Together we are going to walk through your day and practice the words you need for the things you actually do. Hello, everyone. I am so happy to be here. You know, Jane, I always tell my students that the best classroom is your own kitchen or the park where you walk your dog. When you connect a word to an action, it stays in your memory forever. It becomes part of you. Exactly, Jessica. So, for the next 30 minutes, I want you to relax. If you are cooking right now, keep cooking. If you are walking, keep walking. Just listen to our voices and speak with us. Before we start our first chapter, please take a moment to subscribe and click the like button. We want this home to stay open for everyone who wants to learn. Are you ready? Let's begin. I want you to feel like you have the key to a secret door. That door is the self-introduction. Think about it. Every new friend, every new job, every new adventure starts with the same 5 minutes. But for many English learners, those 5 minutes feel like a nightmare. Your heart beats fast. Your brain freezes. You feel like you are back in school taking a test. I have my friend Jessica here today. Jessica, tell the viewers, how did you feel last week when you had to introduce yourself in that meeting?
Oh, Jane, it was terrible.
I had everything written down in my head. I was ready. But as soon as the manager said, "Jessica, tell us about yourself," I forgot everything. I just said, "I am Jessica, I am from here, nice to meet you." Then I sat down and my face was red for the rest of the hour. Oh, Jessica, we have all been there. Even native speakers feel nervous sometimes. But the reason you froze is that you were trying to remember a script, not a story. Today, we are going to teach everyone how to build a living introduction. Let's talk about the first pillar, the spark. Jessica, when you said, "I am Jessica, I am from here," you gave me a skeleton. There was no meat on the bones. A skeleton! That's exactly how it felt. So thin and dry. Exactly. A spark is a tiny human detail. Let's practice some spark phrases for the viewers. I will say the robotic version, and you give me a spark version. Ready? I am a teacher. I am a teacher who loves seeing the aha moment in my students' eyes. I live in a city. I live in a busy city, but I spend my weekends looking for the quietest parks to read a book. I am learning English. I am learning English because I want to finally understand my favorite movies without the subtitles. Do you hear that, everyone? When Jessica adds that little detail, I stop looking at her grammar and I start looking at her personality. Now, because we have 30 minutes, I want to really work on the PPF structure. This is the secret map to never getting lost again. Jessica, past, present, and future. It sounds like a time machine. It is. Let's break it down into chunks so the viewers can repeat after us. Section A, the past. The goal here is to show where you come from. Use the chunk, "I've spent most of my life in," or "my journey started in." Jessica, try using "my journey started in," Jessica. My journey started in a small village where everyone knew each other. It taught me the value of community. The value of community. What a beautiful phrase. Section B, the present. This is what you are doing right now. Use the chunk. Currently, I'm putting my energy into, or, at the moment, my days are filled with. Jessica, use, "At the moment, my days are filled with." Jessica, At the moment, my days are filled with balancing my work as an accountant and
and my passion for learning new recipes in the kitchen. I love that. Balancing work and passion. That is a very high-level way to speak.
Section C, the future. This is your dream. Use the chunk. Looking ahead, I'm really excited to, or one of my big dreams is to. Jessica, use looking ahead.
Jessica.
Looking ahead, I'm really excited to travel to Europe and try the authentic food I've been practicing in my kitchen.
Bravo!
Now, viewers, listen to how it sounds when we put it all together. Jessica, give us the full story. Hi, everyone. My journey started in a small village, which taught me the value of community. At the moment, my days are filled with balancing my work and finance and my passion for cooking. Looking ahead, I'm really excited to travel to Europe and finally taste the real flavors of the world.
Incredible! That took about 30 seconds, but it was 30 seconds of pure gold.
Now, we need to talk about what you are doing with your body while you speak. Jessica, when you were nervous last week, were you looking at the floor?
Yes, I was looking at my shoes. I thought if I didn't look at them, they wouldn't look at me. That is the biggest mistake. In English-speaking cultures, eye contact is the confidence key. It tells the other person, I am here and I am proud of what I am saying.
Even if you make a grammar mistake, if you look at someone and smile, they will forget the mistake. They will only remember your smile.
Also, use your hands. Don't sit on them. If you talk about your journey, move your hand forward. If you talk about balancing, move both hands like a scale. This helps your brain find the words. It's like your body is a generator for your vocabulary.
Let's practice 3 different situations. Situation 1, the job interview. Keep it 70% professional, 30% spark. I've spent 5 years in marketing, but I'm most proud of how I help teams communicate better. I'm a big believer in creative problem solving. Situation 2, the party. Keep it 30% facts, 70% spark. I'm Jessica. I'm a friend of Sarah's. We met at a painting class. I'm actually much better at talking about art than I am at doing it. Situation 3, the English class. Keep it 100% honest. I'm a bit nervous today, but I'm really happy to be here. I love learning English because it opens up the whole world to me. We have reached the end of our 30 minutes. Do you feel the difference? Just by listening to these words, your brain is building new pathways. You are not just a student. You are a communicator. You have a voice, and the world is waiting to hear it.
This is a brand new channel, and I am so grateful you chose to spend this half hour with me and Jessica.
We are here to support you every single day.
If this video helped you feel even 1% more confident,
please like the video and subscribe.
It helps us keep making these long, deep dive lessons for you. And the challenge, don't forget.
Yes! Go to the comments. Pick one of the 3 situations we just talked about, interview, party, or class, and write your introduction using the SPARK method. I will read every single one, and I will give you a heart.
I can't wait to read them.
Thank you for your time, your focus, and your heart today. Be brave, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!